Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring 500 ml milk and gathering 3 tablespoon custard powder plus 2 tablespoons sugar. This saves time. In a bowl, mix the powder and sugar, then stir in about 100 ml cold milk to make a lump-free paste. Why cold? It prevents clumps when added to hot liquid. Meanwhile, heat the remaining milk until small bubbles form around the edge. Do not fully boil. Once done, keep heat low so you can combine without scrambling the starch. Once your paste is smooth, temper it by whisking in a few spoonfuls of the hot milk, then gradually add the rest while stirring. This prevents curdling and explains how heat activates starch. Return the combined mixture to the pan and simmer on low. Stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes, watching the change from glossy to thick custard. This indicates proper gelatinization. Finally, remove from heat. Stir in 1/2 tsp vanilla or 1 tsp butter for flavor and a silky mouthfeel. You finish by cooling the custard slightly, then cover the surface with plastic to stop skin forming. Chill for 1 to 2 hours for best texture. If it went lumpy, pass the custard through a fine sieve and reheat gently while whisking. This breaks clumps and restores smoothness. If it's too thin, simmer another minute or make a slurry of 1 tsp custard powder with cold milk, add a little at a time, and cook until the desired thickness is reached. This balances texture without overcooking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.